the camera. I want you to see what's actually happening now, yeah? So look, shrimp inside. I'm gonna do this slowly. Come, slowly. Look, these are actual shrimps, everybody, yeah? They're seasoned up, jerk sauce. Wow, look at that, people, yeah? I have to kind of like stay close because there's things actually happening. The water's bubbling in the pan. Actually tried a wood apple before inside of here. So what should we do? Should we lift this up now and look inside, or should we just wait a couple more minutes? Look inside and see. Rotted. Nah, man. This was not a joke, people. Look at that. Wow. The shrimps. Yo! Yes, people, wagwan with Daya. Welcome to season 9, a good vibe. I'm Ringo Vision, and you're here locked into 24-hour kitchen, people. All right, today, guess what's happening today, people, yeah? This is what's happening. Right, everybody, so today, we're live. We're down by the river, people, yeah? So look, what I'm doing, I'm simply just placing some logs into the water, and these are gonna be like my bridge that I can stand on. We're gonna be cooking today, people, yeah? Just stay tuned, our good vibes. All right, everybody, so welcome to 24-hour kitchen. I'm Ringo Vision, people, yeah? And you're locked into a cooking show. Right now, we're down by the river. I'm giving you something different today, people. Look, I've got some chopped vegetables, and guess what I've got with the chopped vegetables, people, yeah? I've also got some shrimps. Yeah, man. All right, so today we're gonna be using the watermelon, the honey melon as our pot today, people, yeah? Our good vibes. Big up yourself, people. So look, we're there, people, yeah? So look, I've got a setup here, and what I've done, I've literally just put some logs here, and this is what we're gonna use as our surface, everybody. Our good vibes. But guess what? Most important, you're wondering, what am I gonna use to cook, and how am I gonna cook these shrimps in the melon? Guess what I go on, people, yeah? You have to stay tuned. Boy! Alright, so you're probably wondering, yeah, what I'm going to be using. So look, it's pocket size. You can walk around with it. It's a survival kit. And look at this. You're wondering what this instrument is, yeah? But this is a portable gas stove, everybody, yeah? Not gas, but it's a portable cooker that you can use anywhere out in the wild. Survival kit, camping. You may be somewhere lost, stranded, and you need something to use to cook. You can be traveling around with this in your pocket, in your backpack. You understand, people, yeah? Good vibes. So look at this. Take it out. Open up. That is it, everybody. Look at that. So inside of it, we've got the fuel that it comes with, which is gonna be our like wood that's gonna keep our flame alight today, people, yeah? Big up yourself for Daya. Yes, everybody, so a nice spot. This is one of the purposes to create the logs here. So good vibe. So look at this, we're gonna place that there. Put this inside of here, because this is the holder. That is it, everybody, yeah? Look at that. So this is gonna be our flame that's gonna cook our food today, people, yeah? Our good vibes, look at that. Simply, we just light up, but before we do all of that, we have to prepare the melon for cooking. Our good vibes, because somehow we have to place our container on here, then place the melon inside of here, people, yeah? Our good vibes. Right, everyone, so look, I've got one melon and I can't afford to make any mistakes, so we have to get this one here right, people, yeah? So come in, bring the camera in, because I want everybody to see exactly what's happening. So first of all, yeah, before I cut the melon, does anybody put a comment in the comment section, yeah? Does anybody have an idea of how I should actually be creating a pot out of this melon? I've got an idea, but put it in the comment section. I'm gonna wait a few seconds, people, yeah? But in the meantime, yeah, make I show you something quick and fast. Yes, everybody, I'm outside now. Look, I bought this in the market today, yeah? And this is called a wood apple. It's hard, all right? So we're there, so we're by the riverside, look. So look at that. There's a fruit inside of this, everybody, yeah, there's a fruit inside of this. So later on, what we're gonna do, we're gonna smash this open in the program, and also put in the comment section as well, people, yeah, what you think the fruit is that's inside of it and what do you think it's like. I've never tried it before, yeah. Wow, we've got the birds in the background. No good vibes, man. All right, I'm just gonna get on with it because you guys, see what you guys are saying, because look, this is what I'm doing. I'm thinking of doing something like this. Create a little top, go around, see it there, that's it. All right, and next what I'm going to do, yeah, is I'm just gonna go inside the middle, try go as close to the edges as possible. Yeah man, good vibes, carving that out nicely, and then let's get the middle of the melon out. Good vibes, you see that, everybody? So now we've got a base which is almost like a pot. Yeah man, a melon Dutch pot. Wow. And look at, so we know we're gonna get some bad boy flavors off of what's gonna be cooking today. We'll leave the rest of these, yeah, to nature. Good vibe. Plant some seeds by the waterside. Hopefully they might grow, they might not grow. It's winter time, it's autumn now in England. A good vibe. Big up yourself. If you're just coming on the program, people, we are in season 9. I just come back from Sweden. The trip was amazing. I hope you guys enjoyed the season vlogs and the season trip. Remember, I told you that I'm gonna have some excitement things for you in season 9. I'm out here with my boy Tino Dara, you know. A good vibes, people, yeah. So big up yourself. Yeah man, we've almost, look at this. Wow, 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 wow. That is it. Look at that. Wow, look at that. So the test is now, yeah, look at this. Pop! We got a lid. We're good to go. Let's see. Now we have to light up the fire. I'm gonna light up the fire and then we're gonna put our ingredients inside. Let me just check the deepness. I think I wanna go down a little bit more because we want the heat to kind of like penetrate through. But I'm not gonna like go through too much. But let's just scrape out some of the melon. Yeah man, good vibes. This is it. There you go. Yeah man, good vibes, good vibes. All right everybody, so come in, bring the camera in, bring the camera in. I want you to see what's actually happening now, yeah? So look, shrimp inside. I'm gonna do this slowly, come slowly, look. These are actual shrimps, everybody, yeah? They're seasoned up, jerk sauce. What we've got here, we've got Scotch bonnet pepper, red onion, we've got some mushrooms, we've got cucumber, we've got carrot, we've got red pepper, we've got garlic, we've got thyme. Wow, flavors. And then what we're gonna do, yeah, we're gonna put some thyme in there as well. We're gonna put a little bit of everything inside, yeah? All right, so this is an experiment, everybody, yeah? I've never done this before, but we're gonna do this now. All right, so look at that. Wow. So inside now, we've got some prawns, you can call them shrimps, and then we've got some vegetables. Good vibes. And then what I'm gonna do now, cause I've got 2 more shrimps to put in there. Go and get them shrimps there inside nicely. Get the shrimps them down there nicely, and just, that is it, everybody, yeah? So look at that. Perfect, man. What? Good vibes. So what I've done here, I've scraped out some of the juice from the watermelon, so when it heats up, it doesn't really too burn. So we're gonna, see it there? Just sitting there, just like that. So the next stage, everybody, yeah, is this. We'll just rest this here for a second. Remember, underneath here, what we've got water, and we've got our, this is our, basically our fuel for today, what we're gonna be using to cook on, everybody, yeah? You can hear the simple flow of water just running. Good vibes. Yeah man, look at that, amazing. So now we've got a flame that's actually started to light, everybody, which is a good vibes. So the experiment, I've never used one of these survival stove before. It's gonna be the first time I'm using one. So big up anyone that's on the program watching that's ever seen something like this before. Put it in the comment section and let me know where you've seen it and have you ever used it before. Good vibes. Big up yourself. Look where we are, people, yeah? There. All right, look, we've got a flame. This is the moment we've been waiting for. But look at that underneath there. Yeah, man. Wow. Yeah. 24-hour kitchen cooking inside of a melon, people, yeah? Already, automatically, things are gone. Bubblings are gone, people, yeah? Let's go. Don't fall in because we don't have a next one, you know. This is the one and only melon. It has to stay on here. Oy, oy. Good vibes. People, look at this. All right then, so this is not no joke thing, people. As you can see, we're actually doing it. We're in the water, you know, fully active. We've got our survival camping stove. We've got the melon on there. Things are going. There's a flame going underneath there, people. Yeah, the melon's on there. Wow, good vibes. We've got a smoke going on and we're actually air. We're cooking on water, people. We're actually cooking on water in a melon with shrimps and some ingredients. Are good vibes. Wow, wow, look at that, people. Yeah, I have to kind of like stay close because there's things actually happening. The water's bubbling in the pan. So hopefully there's something going on inside of the melon, people. I'm gonna lift the lid in a short while. Good vibes, 24-hour kitchen, we're fully there. Oi. You can smell the flavors, yeah. Our pot has actually got a flavor kicking off of it. All right, no word of a lie, people, yeah. I'm kinda excited to see what's inside of here. So what should we do? Should we lift this up now and look inside, or should we just wait a couple more minutes? I'll give you 10 seconds. Nah, this is absolutely... You guys, can you actually see what we've done today? Nah, Tino, Dara, tell them what's happened today, please. Now you have to talk loud because they have to hear you.
This is mad cooking.
Tell them.
The only cooking Ringo vision.
All right, so
cooking.
Tino, tell them we had to get the wood them, you know, to build a platform inside of the river.
Obviously, we done the bridge.
The bridge?
Little bridge inside the river, so yeah. We went hunting, mad one.
You see that, people, yeah, we had to build a bridge, you know, to stabilize the food, you know, to make sure that everything, understand? Yeah, man, our good vibes. If you can smell what's going on inside of this pot, people, yeah, I think everything's actually working. Look, we've got a container here. We've placed the water inside of it. We've put the melon on top of the container, and we're cooking inside of the melon, people. All right, that me I talk about. Yes, everybody. So what's actually amazing about this one, yeah, it's just a feeling of walking in the water, because remember, we're using the elements, fire and water, combined together, people, yeah, chemistry at the same time. So it is a good feeling. It's relaxing. It's a good meditation as well. Yeah, man. So anytime you get the opportunity to get your Wellingtons on and get in the river and go and cook, you understand, people? Make sure you do that one as well, because are good vibes. Are good vibes. Yeah, man. What I've done, as you can see, that the water here, it dries up. So you have to add more water to the pan so that the melon doesn't get burnt underneath, so that we can effectively actually make our experiment work to the best of the ability of what we're trying to achieve here. Cooked shrimps inside of a melon. Good vibes. Okay, so okay. So this is a good thing now, yeah. So look, that flame there has now completed. It's run out. It's done. It's done. Finito. So what I have to do, what I have to do now, yeah, it's a good thing they come with these. Look, this is it. This is what we're using today, yeah? And it's cookers. This is what we're using. Our Good Vibes, big up yourself. Yeah, man, and it's made by Holt Lloyd Limited. Our Good Vibes. Whoa! Okay. So we're gonna rest it there. Look at that. Amazing. So the thing I work, people, yeah. So let's just get the next canister. One of these from out of here. Good Vibes. And let's go again. Is it, that is it, man, I cook on the riverside. Yeah. That is it, that is it, that is it, that is it, man, I cook on the riverside. Yeah. Alright, so. Woo! Let's light this up. Pause it now. That is it. This is what we're actually, this is like basically, yeah, Ringo's wood today. Normally, man, I get some wood and something and something and something. This is it. See it there? Active again. Yeah? No joke thing. Everyone, should I open it up before we put it back on? I know you guys want to see what I want. Alright, come in. Let me get the camera. Come in. Oh, people! What's happening? Alright. Look, sitting and go on. We could lock up back and go on again. Good Vibes. Cup on flame, no man. I want to big up each and everyone that's on the program. We're in season 9. As you can see, it's not warm out here. You can see the smoke coming from my mouth, but at the same time, Sita people, we're back on again, yeah? So we're just waiting for this. That's the second round of cooking. What's happening right now, people, yeah? Big up yourself. It's a Good Vibes. Season 9, I've got some more creations for you guys, yeah, for season 9. Just stay tuned, look out for it. Anybody likes melons? What type of melon do you like? Has anyone ever used any form of fruits to use to cook either? Put it in the comment section, because I would like to know. I'd like to know each and every one of you guys' ideas and thoughts of what you're thinking of this episode right now. Yeah, man, I've Good Vibes. I've got something else I want to give to you guys as well. So we're going to be doing a little bit of vlogging as well. So it's winter time, so I'm going to switch it up a little bit for the channel. So in the summer we was outside by the forest, by the riverside. So this time now we're going to utilize London, England, and I'm going to give you guys a bit of scenery around, in and around the place. Some significant places I'm going to bring you guys to as well, because I'm thinking, okay, Ringo's gone to Sweden, he's gone to Amsterdam, he's gone to Europe. Okay, now I need to give you guys something of what's actually going on in London and certain things that London's known for as well. So I'm going to be bringing you guys on a journey, people, yeah? So stay tuned. It's a Good Vibes. Look what I want, man. Food I cooked down here, sir. And also, I'm stuck for time as well, in the sense of the light. Because we're here in autumn, it's November, and yeah, sunlight goes very quickly in them time of year, but at the same time, look at this. Wow. Yeah, man, the thing I go on proper. How you mean, man? People, so Tino Dara said he's coming across the river because he's my cameraman today, yeah? So big up Tino. He said, Tino, you're gonna cross over the other side?
Yeah.
Oi!
Bring up vision.
We're there.
Come on. Man, Rick.
All right, everyone. So I've never actually tried a wood apple before. It seems like it's got a hard surface like the coconut. All right, so look at this. So I've managed to crack it open. Wood apple, you know. Let's have a look inside and see. Rotted wood apple, you know. Mad thing. I don't even know if I like the This is mad. I'm just gonna basically taste it for the program, yeah? But I do not like the look of this people, yeah. This looks that shit away, Ringo. But let me try it for the program. I don't like how wood apple looks, people, yeah. I'm not gonna lie. No offense to where it comes from in the road, but this doesn't look like the one. Have a look. All right, close my eyes. Wood apple, that's for that. No, no, them are dealing with that. But next time, Tino, you wanna try it?
It's alright.
No, try it, try it.
Look at different taste, you know. Kinda bitter
Proper bitter.
taste, yeah.
But all right, people, this I go on right now. May I tell you about? Look at that. This is what I'm talking about, people. Yeah, watermelon, shrimps. Let's open the pot, people. Yeah, good vibes. Wow. So there's some steam coming from inside of there, everyone. So let's just close it back up, cause things are gone. Good vibes. So you have to deal with the thing in that, with delicacy as well, you know. Yeah, man, because we don't want nothing happening to the pot people or the shrimps that's inside everyone, yeah. Good vibes. Yo, everyone, so what's happening, as you can see that these flames, they give us about 15-20 minutes worth, about 15 to 10 minutes worth of burning. So it's a good thing that I've got a pack with me. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna light the next one and kick it again, people, yeah, because this one's kind of going out. Good vibes, things still are going in here, so just stay tuned.
But it still is green.
Oi, people, all right, so we come to that final grand finale. Look, we're outside, the lights gone, people, yeah. Night time now. Let's do the test, people, yeah, and check and see if everything are going in the right way. Good vibes. Yes, everybody, so a good vibe coming. I just need you to, all right. Whoa, all right, so let's do a look at test, people. Oh, look at that. Wow. Yeah, man, so cooking shrimps inside of a melon, people, yeah. Let's do a look at test and see if the thing works, man. Good vibes. Wow, look at that, everybody. Wow. Yeah, man, shrimps cooked inside of a melon, you know. Tino Dara.
Thank you for inviting me.
Yeah?
Cooking with Ringo Vision. Come on. Log in, tune in, my people.
All right, people, so we're going to do a taste test right now. Yeah? Good vibes. All right, people, so look at this. You're going to do a test now, yeah? All right, everybody, so the moment we've been waiting for. Dig one up, Tino. Take one out. That is it. Show everyone what it looks like. Wait. Stay still. Look at that, everybody. Wow. This was cooked right here. River, melon, testing, go through. Yes, people, that is it. Big up yourself. Good vibes. Yes, everyone. Season 9. Thank you very much for staying tuned with this episode. Cooking shrimps inside of a what? A melon, you know, people. Yeah, man. And we done see what I go on, people. The thing I work out, you know, people, without it, so in a real life, 24-hour kitchen is a good vibe. Don't forget to do the right thing, people, yeah? Until next time, I'll see you again soon. Shrimps cooked inside of a melon, people, yeah? Honey melon, you know? Them one are nice, you know? I have to try this one at home, you know, people, yeah? Good vibes. Nah, man. This was not a joke, people. Look at that. Wow. The shrimps. Yo. Yeah, man. The shrimps cooked inside of a melon, people, yeah. Big up yourself. 24-hour kitchen, cooking with Ringo Vision, people, yeah. You don't know what we're fully active, we're fully outside, man. Big up yourself, people, yeah. It's a joy. Oi.